Okay, I have so many figures for show you, but today I think have already enough for this video, and next time I wanna show you more video. If you want to know what about I have what is anime I have, you can comment and talk with us in this video. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye. Can I stop? Can I stop?
Hold 3 seconds.